Today is Tuesday, September 18th, 2023. I am a KT member, KT employee. KT is Korea Telecom, the number one carrier in Korea. And I used to be an engineer, but now I'm a telecommunications services salesman and also strategist for sales. So I am quite relevant to this article, and let's learn how American telecommunication services are sold in America. I am trying to read this English article to learn English and also to practice English by reading it aloud and trying to memorize new words, expressions, and old words at the same time. And this article I've randomly pulled from the internet, and this one is from openworldlearning.org, and the title is How to Sell Telecommunication Services, an Overview of the Sales Process by Jessica, January 8th, 2023, Telecommunication Category. Open world learning. Okay, so it's for learning the process. The telecommunications industry is a complex and rapidly evolving marketplace. With the prevalence of technology in our lives, having the ability to sell telecommunication services is becoming increasingly more important. Selling telecommunication services requires an understanding of the technology, the customer's needs, and the ability to effectively market the product. This article will provide an overview of how to sell telecommunication services by discussing the various aspects of the sales process, such as understanding the customer's needs, researching the industry, and creating an effective marketing plan. With the right knowledge, you can successfully sell telecommunication services and become a successful salesperson. Telecommunications. What is telecommunications sales? Wireless service revenues in the United States. Telecommunications sales is a profession that focuses on selling products and services that enable communication between people. This includes services such as landline and mobile phones, internet access, satellite services, and other communication tools. Telecommunications sales professionals. So we have three plural forms here, plural nouns. Telecommunications, almost all the case it's the plural, and sale. Not just sale, but sales. So different sales teams. Telecommunications sales professionals must be knowledgeable about the products and services they are selling and must be able to explain the benefits of each to potential customers. They must have excellent communication skills in order to be successful in this field, as they will be interacting with potential customers on a daily basis. Additionally, they must be able to keep up with the latest technology and changes in the industry in order to stay competitive. The telecommunications industry provides traditional landline communication services such as phone calls, internet access, and television in the modern era. These large utility-like businesses are critical to the evolution of mobile communications and the information society, as well as the lives of individuals, businesses, and even entire countries. If this industry were not present, communication and information would be severely hampered, and the world would be a much different place. The telecommunications industry is in charge of developing innovative services such as voice over IP, VoIP, or VoIP, 5G networks, and the Internet of Things, IoT. These advances have transformed the way we communicate and access information, and they are critical to our ability to communicate and access information in the future. The telecommunications industry is vital to society and will continue to be so for many years to come. Exploring the dynamic field of telecommunications sales. A telecommunications salesperson is someone who sells telecommunications products and services to individuals and businesses. I sell those products and services to businesses inside KT. Because of the growing demand for VoIP services or VoIP services in corporate technology and communications systems, the field is in high demand. A telecommunications salesperson must be able to locate, develop, define, negotiate, and close business relationships in order to develop a strong market position. That's good expression to use when you present in front of people, judges, to develop a strong market position. Locate, develop, define, negotiate, and close business relationships. Locate, develop, define, negotiate, and close business relationships in order to develop a strong market position. To be an effective telecommunications worker, one must design and install telecommunications equipment as well as ensure high-quality data transmission over wired or wireless networks. A telecom engineer's responsibilities include everything from radio and television to satellites and fiber optic networks, as well as computer networks, the internet, and telecommunications. By the way, the word internet, it used to be the first I is always the capital I, but nowadays people just use small I as with this word, the internet. I don't know if I always try to use the capital I. There is a great deal of technical expertise required to provide the best possible service to customers in this field, and it is difficult. Well, with me, it's not that difficult. What are examples of telecommunication services? Telecommunications-based services. Full service spectrum, right? To develop a strong market position, you need to understand all those services, man. Categories: entertainment, information transactions, communications. Yes. Full service spectrum, broadcast TV, high definition TV, enhanced pay-per-view, video on demand, interactive TV, interactive video games, video catalog shopping, distance learning, multimedia services, image networking, transaction services, internet access, telecommuting, video conferencing, video telephony, wireless access, cellular/PCS systems, POTS, plain old telephone service. Plain old telephone service. Fixed network services, data, internet, voice, wholesale, and mobile are now available to businesses in addition to fixed network services. What do you mean? Fixed network services are now available to businesses in addition to fixed network services. Wait a minute. Same things, right? Fixed network services. That expression appears twice in the same sentence. I think mobile network services should be more correct. I don't know, confusing. For centuries, telecommunications technology has provided a powerful force for innovation and progress. Since the dawn of communication, people have used it to communicate in a variety of ways, including the telegraph, telephone, radio, and television. When 5G becomes available, it will herald a new era of technological innovation. Wait a minute, when was this article written? It was written this year, January 8th, 2023. In Korea, 5G was rolled out 3 or 5 years ago. 4 years ago, I think. So 5G networks are prevalent in Korea, and KT is the biggest carrier in Korea, right? My company, I'm very proud of it, but I am open to any job offer, because I have to retire in 5 years. I cannot stick with my company forever. I have to retire in 5 years, man. Time really flies. These advances have transformed Yeah. So with other third world countries, probably 5G is still something of dream. 5G, when 5G becomes available, it is already available in Korea, but with other countries, 5G is not available. When 5G becomes available, it will herald a new era of technological innovation. With 5G, you will be able to get faster and better coverage, making it easier for people to connect to the internet and stay connected to develop a strong market position. Furthermore, 5G will be used to improve the Internet of Things, IoT, a network of physical devices connected to the internet allows them to share and communicate with one another. When 5G is implemented, these devices will be even more powerful, allowing for a wide range of new applications and services to be created. Well, not exactly yet, but 5G is here already. When 5G is implemented, these devices will be even more powerful, allowing for a wide range of new applications and services to be created. Almost any technology can be used, from smart homes to automated vehicles. Automated vehicles are in reality now. And as a matter of fact, my car, my Kia Sportage SUV at the office is fully Android Auto compatible. So whenever I turn on the ignition of my Kia Sportage, then the car is instantly connected with my phone using the data from my phone, and I can tune into American news and all sorts of things. inside my vehicle while driving it around the country. So it's quite convenient. Automated vehicles will be the next battleground among telecommunication carriers. As a result, 5G will be an important driver in the telecom industry in 2023. Yes, it is. That's true in Korea. Heralding a new era of innovation and progress. Heralding a new era of innovation and progress. That's another good expression. Let me underline it. Heralding a new era of innovation and progress. The key word is heralding, right? Introducing, bringing in, heralding a new era of innovation and progress. As a result, more devices will have faster speeds, better coverage, and larger capacities. The Internet of Things will open the door to a whole new era of applications and services, including smart homes and automated vehicles. Fuck that, I was there already, right? Wow, different, right? With 5G, it will be possible to take advantage of new opportunities. How do you segment a telecommunications market? Segmentation: customer, network operators, virtual network operators, customer, end user or firm. They are called end user or businesses or firm. So network operators, backbone providers. KT is network operators and also telecom sales. We do everything from the marine, landline and satellite services, TVs, you name it. We do everything. We are the multiplayer and the important player in Korea. Number one carrier in Korea. Subscription price, they provide provider's price. Yes, capacity is given. Virtual network operators, bandwidth brokers. I think the price and capacity are switched. Capacity is given to virtual network operators. And the capacity is given, man. Prices are paid. I don't know what's wrong with this picture. Segmenting a telecommunications market involves breaking down the market into distinct categories so that businesses can better understand their customers. Companies can segment their markets geographically, by demographic, or by psychographic characteristics. Geographic segmentation involves dividing the market based on physical locations such as by region, city, or state. Demographic segmentation involves dividing the market by age, gender, ethnicity, income level, and other demographic factors. So the major demographic factors are age, gender, ethnicity, income level. Psychographic segmentation involves dividing the market into segments based on lifestyle, interests, and values. Understanding these segments can help companies better understand their customers and the market as a whole, allowing them to create more effective marketing and sales strategies. Segmenting the telecom market. Desire analysis for success. Never heard of desire. I know docile. What is a decile? The telecommunications market is highly competitive, with a few players controlling the majority of the market. In Korea, KT is the majority market operator, right? We are the number one carrier in Korea. To gain a competitive advantage, it is critical that these companies segment their markets in order to gain a clear understanding of their customers. Decile analysis is the most common method for segmenting customers by value. This method calculates a value measure for each customer and arranges their base in descending order by value, then divides it into 10 equal segments. The top decile, decile, right? Deci means tenth. You like 10%, 1/10. Top decile is made up of businesses with a large percentage of customer base, which provides the greatest growth potential. Telecommunications industry is made up of several subsectors, including wireless communications, communications equipment, and processing systems and products. Each of these segments, as well as the various opportunities that exist, have their own distinct characteristics. The telecommunications market is an oligopoly, which means that firms must understand their customer base as well as segment their market to stay profitable and successful. Oligopoly. Ways to improve telecommunication services. Image credit, WP. I think that's a Shutterstock. The stock photos. Ways to improve telecommunication skills. The girls look nice. Telecommunication services can be improved in a variety of ways. Advances in technology allow us to make sure of more efficient and reliable networks and hardware. To ensure that users are taking full advantage of these new technologies, providers should adopt a proactive approach to upgrading their networks and equipment. Additionally, providers should strive to offer more flexible, user-friendly services such as cloud-based services, virtual private networks or VPN, and wireless networks. Finally, providers should focus on improving customer service by providing helpful resources and support for customers who have questions or need assistance. By taking these steps, providers can ensure that their customers are getting the best possible service. Customers are getting the best possible service. Getting the best possible service. That's good expression. Their customers are getting the best possible service. Their customers are getting the best possible service. Best possible service. Evaluating telecommunications providers for businesses. The backbone of any business, telecommunications, is its ability to communicate and share data. The backbone of any business, telecommunications, is its ability to communicate and share data. What's the structure of this sentence? The backbone of any business, telecommunications. I think this sentence could be written better with telecommunications, the backbone of any business, is its ability to communicate and share data, right? The backbone of any business. I don't know. So far, I've noticed the two strange expressions. By utilizing technology and telecommunication services can now be provided at a faster rate with more dependable connections and at lower cost. As a result, businesses must pay close attention to telecommunications providers' performance when evaluating their performance. The three key metrics to consider when analyzing a telecommunications company are revenue per user, ARPU. Yeah, my company, KT, number one carrier in Korea. Three key metrics. That's good word. Metrics. Measurement units. Metrics. Or measuring one of the measures, right? Churn rate and subscriber growth. On average revenue per share, ARPU. On average revenue per user, ARPU is calculated by dividing a company's annual revenue by its users. A customer's rate of dissatisfaction indicates how frequently they cancel or switch their service. A customer's rate of dissatisfaction indicates how frequently they cancel or switch their service. Switch their service. Switch their service. Remember, here the service is just singular. I think it gotta be plural, right? Switch their services. I don't know. I'll look into it later. Customers' growth is the rate at which a company adds new customers over time. Three of these are critical metrics for determining the success of a telecommunications company. My company is number one carrier in Korea, and we are the success symbol of Korea. The most significant advantage of using telecommunications is the ability to communicate directly with customers, access the information they require whenever and wherever they want, stay up to date with their market, and create resources and relationships. Create resources and relationships that assist them in staying competitive. Let me go over this precious expression one more time. The most significant advantage of using telecommunications is the ability to communicate directly with customers, access the information they require whenever and wherever they want, stay up to date with their market, and create resources and relationships that assist them in staying competitive. Telecom signal services are now available at speeds greater than previously possible, with more reliable connections and at a lower cost than ever before. As a result, businesses must now be more selective in how they evaluate their telecommunications provider and ensure that they are getting the best value and service for their money. Bang for the buck, right? You bang a girl, so it's a bang. Bang for the girl. I'm sorry, bang for the buck. Buck is dollar, so more efficacy for just dollar. You are getting the best value and service for their. They are getting the best value and service for their money. That's a good sentence to use. They are getting the best value and service for their money. They are getting the best value and service for their money. Telecommunication services are essential to businesses of all sizes and provide numerous advantages. Businesses can ensure that they are maximizing their telecommunications providers' investment and receiving the best service by taking into account the average revenue per share, churn rate, and subscriber growth metrics. I'm not sure about this. Why customers would be interested in our ARPU, our churn rate, and our subscriber growth metrics, even though we are number one carrier in Korea? I disagree with this. Telecom sales is here sales. It's a singular, right? Telecom sales. Sale is just, I don't know, sometimes noun, but usually a verb. But we usually say telecom sales, so it's a singular, just one meaning. Telecom sales is the process of selling telecommunication products and services to customers and businesses. This involves understanding the customer's needs, providing the right products and services, and ensuring customer satisfaction. Telecom sales professionals must have a wide knowledge of the telecom industry, including pricing, products, and services, as well as an understanding of customer service and sales techniques. Understanding of customer service and sales techniques. Telecom sales can include both direct sales to customers and indirect sales through channel partners. That's good expression. Telecom sales can include both direct sales to customers and indirect sales through channel partners. So we have many channel partners. They are called agents, street agents, business sales associates, business sales partners, and so on. So they are all called channel partners. It is a complex job that requires knowledge, skill, and dedication. Knowledge, skill, and dedication. Knowledge, skill, and dedication. Knowledge, skill, and dedication. Be ready for what comes next. HP Aruba networking. Okay, so let's check out these, whatever it is. That's telecom position job requirements. Email info@quickresume.com. So that's resume, summary, sales, work experience, and so on. Okay, it's two small characters. I cannot read it all. What kind of job is telecom? Their job is to design and build telecommunications equipment as well as ensure that the data transmitted over such systems is of high quality. Telecommunication engineers. See, T is missing here. Telecommunication. That's absurd. T is missing. Come on, do your proofreading, man. Telecommunication engineers work on radio and television, satellite communications, the internet, and fiber optics, in addition to radio and television. What do telecommunications do? The telecommunications subsector is primarily concerned with telecommunications operations and or providing access to telecommunications facilities to transmit voice, data, text, sound, and video. A transmission facility is thought to be based on a single technology or a combination of technologies. Telecom sales training is essential in order to ensure that employees have the knowledge and skills they need to effectively sell and promote products and services. Telecom sales training. Grow your results by growing your salespeople. That's good catch. Grow your results by growing your salespeople. That's good catchphrase, man. Grow your results by growing your salespeople. Grow your results by growing your salespeople. Telecom sales training programs may include topics such as customer relationship management, competitive analysis, pricing strategies, product positioning, sales process management, and communications skills. customer relationship management, competitive analysis, pricing strategies, product positioning, sales process management, and communication skills. Through these comprehensive training programs, employees can learn how to build customer relationships, identify customer needs, develop sales strategies, and close deals, close relationships, close deals. Telecom sales training also provides employees with the insights and techniques needed to provide excellent customer service, which can lead to increased customer loyalty and improved customer satisfaction. Yeah, it's just simple, clear-cut explanation. A run-of-the-mill training. Additionally, telecom sales training can help employees stay up to date on the latest trends, products, and services in the telecommunications industry. Telecom strategies. Telecom strategies are an important part of any business. They involve the utilization of technology to help companies reduce costs, increase efficiency, and improve customer service. Telecom strategies can range from the implementation of VoIP and unified communications systems to the adoption of cloud services and big data analytics. By using an AI these days, right? AI. KT has a very big thing going on about AI. We have our own AI GPT coming up soon, and it will be much, much big and beautiful than Microsoft AI ChatGPT. By using telecom strategies, businesses can stay ahead of their competition and remain competitive in today's market. Additionally, telecom strategies can provide businesses with the ability to quickly respond to customer needs, enabling them to offer better customer service. Finally, telecom strategies can help businesses to remain ahead of the curve. That's cliche. Good sentence to use when you have to present in front of people. When it comes to technology trends and ensure they stay up to date with the latest advancements, right? To remain ahead of the curve, learning curve, below the curve, above the curve. Remain ahead of the curve. Remain ahead of the curve. Strong curve, strong steep, learning curve, ahead of the curve, latest advancements. Competitive telecom market. The competitive telecom market is highly competitive. What? An ever-changing industry. Come on, man. I think this sentence could be better written. Any telecom market is a highly competitive and ever-changing industry. It sounds more natural. With new technologies and services being developed and released to the public every day, companies are constantly striving to be the best and offer the most competitive prices. Companies are also competing to offer the most reliable services, with many offering competitive packages and incentives to attract customers. This competition has led to lower prices and better services for consumers, as well as an increase in innovation in the industry. As a result, the competitive telecom market is an exciting an ever-evolving industry, offering customers more choices and better services than ever before. Telecom sales managers. Telecom sales managers are responsible for leading, teaching, and motivating sales teams to reach their maximum potential. To reach their maximum potential. That's a good expression. To reach their maximum potential. They must be knowledgeable of the telecom industry, understand customer needs, and be able to develop innovative strategies to increase sales. They develop and implement sales plans and provide guidance to the sales team in order to maximize the organization's revenue. Telecom sales managers are also responsible for developing relationships with customers and prospects and analyzing competitor strategies and trends and identifying market opportunities. In addition, they must be able to demonstrate products and services effectively, understand pricing strategies, and manage sales activities and customer projects. The high demand for telecom managers and telecommunication sales reps. I was a telecommunication sales rep, and also I was a telecom manager too. If you happen to be looking for a good telecom salesperson, here I am. The position of telecommunications manager and telecommunications sales rep is in high demand in the telecommunications field. Not in Korea, man. Everybody is very smart, just like I am. A telecom manager is in charge of designing, developing, building, configuring, and commission telecommunications equipment, networks, and systems, whereas telecommunications sales rep is in charge of selling telecommunications products and services to individuals and businesses. Yeah, that's me. I'm an expert. They provide VoIP services to corporations and telecommunications service providers by locating, developing, defining, negotiating, and closing business relationships. Redundancy. We saw this sentence in the previous paragraph. Paragraph yonder before this paragraph. They keep up with technological developments in addition to selling VoIP services to corporations and telecommunications service providers. Because of their tenure and expertise in the telecommunications industry, sales managers can expect to earn between $63,000 to $208,000 per year on average. Wow, that's good. I'm just median, I think. But I wish to get that big bonus, man. I would like to go to America and maybe work for, I don't know, Verizon Wireless, Sprint, or AT&T, or Teleglobe, Vodafone, Orange, and all sorts of other small and big telecom companies. To be successful in this, better yet, since I'm a KT employee, I would like to go to KT America, our subsidiary company, and work there and contribute hugely to my company's success. To be successful in this role, an individual must have a combination of technical knowledge, communication skills, and business savvy. Yeah, I have a business savvy. I'm very savvy, man. Business savvy. To be successful in this position, they must be able. I thought savvy is just adjective, but here noun. That's a little bit strange. I will come back to this later. To be successful in this position, they must be able to identify the requirements and determine the cost of equipment, devices, and services, as well as be able to create and execute sales strategies, manage sales teams, and create and maintain relationships with customers. Full service telecom agency. When is the end of the article? This article is too long, man. Full service telecom agency. A full service telecom agency offers a comprehensive range of services designed to meet the needs of businesses and individuals. From the installation of the latest telecom equipment to troubleshooting and maintenance, a full-service telecom agency can provide the most efficient and cost-effective solutions. With experienced technicians on staff, they can provide guidance on every aspect of telecom, from selecting the right equipment to configuring it to meet your individual needs. They can also provide support services such as servicing and repairing existing telecom equipment, as well as providing custom tailored. I think there gotta be a hyphen between custom and tailored. Custom tailored solutions for specialized applications. With a full service telecom agency, you can ensure that your telecom needs are met quickly and efficiently. A full service telecom agency. Unlike the benefits of telecom agencies, we rely on telecommunications to stay connected throughout the day. Telecommunication networks have provided us with a wide range of services, from smartphones and satellite television to live streaming and entertainment from around the world. This business is one of the type of business that collaborates with telecommunications carriers to provide their customers with the best service and options. A telecom agent is an independent consultant who assists clients in resolving their telecommunications and data network needs by assisting them in selecting the best solution for their needs. So agent and agency, right? Agency has many agents. As a result, telecom agencies have access to more than 180 telecom providers, giving them the resources to provide the most comprehensive range of telecommunications services and solutions. Customers can turn to telecom agents for help determining the best solution for their needs, and from high-speed internet access to long-distance calling. Furthermore, telecom agents are highly motivated to ensure that their customers receive the best possible deal due to the fact that they only receive compensation after service is installed. Receive compensation after the service is installed. In Korea, telecom agency, they are still in a nascent stage. They are very poor. They lack the skills, knowledge, and dedication. So there are huge work to be done about them. Recent post: how to insert a free-form polygon in pixel. Calculating polygon overlap area in MATLAB. Famous program MATLAB, right? For statistics. Okay, so this article, before I go, I would like to check the pronunciation and the grammar. For example, what the, come on, man, what the, here, I'll just say a savvy. I thought it was just, I don't know, savvy. Come on, what is savvy? Both noun and verb and adjective. Savvy or savvies. Experienced, knowledgeable, slang, understanding, wisdom, intelligence, savvy. Business savvy, street smart. savvy. Okay, so noun, verb, adjective, everything. Now go to dec. Deci means 1/10. Decile.
Decile.
Deciles.
Decile. Decile.
Deciles. Statistics. Any one of 9 numbers that provide a frequency distribution into 10 groups of equal frequency. What? Any one of the 10 groups of equal frequency. In descriptive statistics, a decile is any of the 9 values that divide the sorted data into 10 equal parts. So that each part represents 1/10 of the sample or population. A decile is one possible form of quantile. Yeah, decile. So from this article, I remember such expressions as to develop a strong market position, remain ahead of the curve, provide the best possible service to customers, products and services and solutions, telecom agent and telecom agency. What else? What else I learned? Let me go over real quick. Prevalence, yes, marketing plan, strategies, successful, sales professionals, savvy, yeah, IoT, highly qualified, what else? Innovation, yeah, better coverage. Just run-of-the-mill article, nothing wrong except that several grammatical, misunderstanding by me. Thanks for listening and have a wonderful evening.